Welcome. Today we explore what is logical operators in Python, explain with parent-child logic. Imagine you want to go play cricket with your friends. You ask your parents, but here is the thing. Each parent has their own rule. The and rule means both mummy and papa must say yes. If even one says no, you are staying home. The OR rule is more relaxed. If at least one of them says yes, you can go. Just one yes is enough. The not rule is the trickiest. It simply flips the answer. If Papa says yes, not turns it into no. If Mummy says no, not turns it into yes. Python's logical operators work the exact same way and or not. By the end of this video, you will use them like a pro. Remember our cricket permission story? Let us bring it to life in Python. Mummy says yes, so mummy underscore says underscore yes is true. But Papa says no, Papa underscore says underscore yes is false. Now we use the AND operator. Let us print the result and see. False. Even though mummy said yes, Papa said no, so can underscore place false. Now let us try a real board exam scenario. Arjun is 16 years old with 88 marks. To win a scholarship, he needs age at least 14 and marks at least 75. Both conditions are true here. Age 16 is greater than 14 and marks 88 is greater than 75. So Python evaluates the and returns true. Let us check if Arjun qualifies. True. Arjun meets both conditions. Now meet the or operator, the lenient parent rule. Mummy is busy. She says no. But Papa is free and says yes. With or, just one yes is enough. Under the hood, Python checks the left side first. If it is true, Python does not even bother checking the right side. It already knows the answer is true. Let us see if we can play. True. Papa said yes, and that was enough. The OR operator is generous. One yes is all it takes. Priya can go out if it is a holiday or a weekend. Today is Saturday, not a holiday, but definitely a weekend. Is underscore holiday is false, but is underscore weekend is true. The OR operator finds that at least one is true and immediately returns true. Now you might wonder what if both are false? Then OR returns false. Let us check for Priya. True. Weekend is enough for Priya to go out. The not operator is the simplest. It just flips. Papa says no, meaning Papa underscore says underscore no is true. Apply not and it becomes false. Now let us think practically. Kavya wants to play outside. She checks, is it raining? No, it is not. So is underscore raining is false. But she wants to play when it is not raining. So she writes not is underscore raining. Let us flip it and check. True. It is not raining. So not is underscore raining gives true. The flip works perfectly every time. Now the grand finale, all three operators together. Rohan wants entry to a coding contest. Rule, age must be at least 16 and he must have an ID and he must not be banned. Rohan is 17, tick, has ID, tick, not banned, is underscore banned, is false, and not false is true tick. All three conditions pass, so can underscore enter is true. Let us check if Rohan gets in. True. All conditions passed. Notice how the